Hey everyone! Today we're exploring something super fun, creativity and curiosity. What is creativity? Creativity means taking an idea in your mind and turning it into something real. If you've ever turned a cardboard box into a spaceship, invented a new game at recess, or figured out a cool way to organize your room, that's creativity. Your creativity comes from the world around you, like your teachers who help you ask good questions, your friends who inspire new ideas, your activities like sports, music, art, and gaming, and even fun things at home, hobbies, chores, or building something just for fun. For example, your art classes, you apply the creative process, which includes things like imagining, planning, experimenting, and reflecting. What is curiosity? Curiosity is what makes us wonder. It's the voice in your brain that says, why does this work? What happens if I try this? Can I make this even better? Curiosity is the first step in science, art, sports, and really everything. So why are creativity and curiosity important? Research shows that being creative helps you become a better problem solver. It also builds confidence because you learn you can make something new even if it takes a few tries. And creativity helps you learn at school too. Curiosity is important because it helps your brain learn. When you ask questions, your brain makes new connections, kind of like building a stronger path in your mind. Curiosity also helps you discover new ideas, solve problems, and understand how things work. And here's the coolest part. Creativity and curiosity work together. When you are curious, you ask questions. When you're creative, you turn your ideas into action. One helps you explore, and the other helps you build. They make an awesome team. Now let's learn the creative process. This is like the recipe for making cool ideas come to life. Step 1 is brainstorm. That means letting your mind open up like a big idea bubble. Step 2 is experiment. This is where you try things out. Mix colors, test materials, build, break, fix again, try something new. Scientists do this, artists do this, inventors do this too. Experimenting means learning by doing. And step 3 is create. This is where your idea becomes real. You turn all your testing and brainstorming into something you can see, hold, hear, or share. A drawing, a project, a song, a new way to solve a problem, anything you make is creation. So remember, brainstorm to imagine it, experiment to explore it, create to bring it to life. This is how creativity happens. Now we're going to do a quick knowledge check-in. So what's one thing you're curious about right now? Share with the person sitting beside you. Now we're going to do the paperclip challenge.
What does a paperclip mean to you? What purpose does it serve in your life, and what can it be used for?
You could use a paperclip as a bookmark and add a ribbon to personalize it. Maybe you could use it as a phone stand, a zipper fixer for the broken attachment, or maybe you can make an abstract sculpture out of a paperclip. Now we're going to watch a mini skit on creativity and curiosity.
I don't know where to start with making my instrument.
What kind of sound do you want your instrument to make?
Maybe something quiet and soft? I have this empty tissue box and a paper towel roll, as well as some elastics. Maybe I can make a guitar.
Exactly, that's curiosity. Asking questions to figure things out. You're already being creative.
Whoa, the pitch is different when I use different sized elastics.
Good job using your curiosity and creativity to make an instrument.
Before we finish, here's a quick creativity check-in. True or false, creativity is asking questions to learn more. The answer is true. Question number 2, true or false, is it okay to not know something yet? And the answer is true. Last one, creativity is only for artists, true or false? And the answer is false.
Awesome work today. Remember to keep being curious and keep creating.